the Vertex Oscillator, which is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and apply it to the chart. Also, analysts can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to the comment section and activate the Allow DLL Imports option, and then click the OK button. When the indicator is activated, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart. The Vertex indicator is an oscillator for detecting market trends and fluctuations. When the blue line crosses above the red line, there is a likelihood of an upward trend, and when the blue line crosses below the red line, there is a likelihood of a downward trend. In the Settings section, under the Inputs, there are options available. The first option relates to the indicator's period settings, which is set to 14 by default. The next setting pertains to the smoothing mode. Changing this value reduces the volatility of the Vertex indicator and displays it in a smoother manner. The calculation type has three options: simple moving average, exponential moving average, and triple exponential moving average, which you can configure. The next section relates to the time frame settings. If it is set to current, it will perform its calculations based on the active time frame and display it to you. However, if you want to examine other time frames, you can select the desired time frame from this section, and by selecting that option, it will be displayed to you. The next section pertains to the alert type settings. By selecting option 3, you will receive an alert if a crossover occurs from either side. By selecting option 2, you will receive an alert if the negative line crosses above the positive line, and by selecting option 1, you will receive an alert if the blue line crosses above the red line. The next section pertains to alerts based on candles, which can be set based on the previous candle or the current candle. The following settings include alerts in the form of a screen, notification, email alerts, or notifications for your platform. The last section is about the theme or custom template of the indicator, which has 4 options: auto, light, dark, and custom. By selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with profitable candles turning bright green and losing candles turning bright red. Selecting the light option applies a light template to the template currently on my chart, while selecting the dark option applies a dark template. Finally, selecting the custom option retains your personalized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. Here I will select the dark template. I set the time frame to the 4-hour interval and set the smoothing mode to 3, and then I apply the changes. Here, my template changed to a dark color. My time frame is set to the 4-level mode, which shows me the 4-level time frame and calculates fewer fluctuations for me. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.